Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.